Hey Rush fam, guess what today is? So today is my birthday. Come on, don't act surprised. I know you saw it in the title. So yes, it's my birthday, Rush Raymore. And just wanted to share it with you guys as well. So we're right here at the Island Village Entertainment and Shopping Complex right here in Ocho Rios. This is one of the places I am passing through on my birthday. So just wanted to show you guys a little bit of it as well. Really happy to have you guys around over the last 12 months, and I'm looking forward to still have you guys around over the next 12 months as well. So I know the channel is growing, just as how each of us is growing in age as well, and it's really a pleasure, and I'm very grateful to have you guys and to be constantly sharing my content with you guys as well. All the comments, the feedback, the support, the likes, everything has been overwhelming, and I just want to thank you guys for being a part of Rush Raymore Review. So again, it's my birthday. Just gonna show you guys a little bit around Island Village. I know a lot of persons may have seen it before. I've done previous video on it as well. I may put a link for a previous video in it or in the comments so you guys could check it out. But it's just a quick walkthrough, just a quick showcase of this facility. So today, August 16, Rush Raymore gets a little older while the channel grows as well. We have Ocean's 11 restaurant and bar. Then we have Margaritaville over this side. They offer water sports. They have the beach area, water sports, and also restaurant and bar. They also have a water slide over here as well. So that's Margaritaville. Alright guys, so it's just a quick walk around with me, just showcasing this entertainment slash shopping complex. Most of the shops are closed based on the time of day, but without a doubt still giving my highlight. Guys, remember to like the video, leave a comment, and I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of happy birthday wishes in the comment, so in advance, thank you. Thanks for all the birthday wishes. And as I said before guys, just a quick video, because it's my birthday. You guys are like family, so even if it's just 8 minutes, 10 minutes, I have to spend a little bit of the birthday with you guys. Alright, so most of the shops are already closed. So we have the rib cage grill over that side. Up here you have Chocateur and Adventures, also a Cineplex. And then this leads back out to the main. So let me show you guys a glimpse of the front. Alright guys, so there you have it. Not a complete tour of the Island Village entertainment and shopping complex, but you know, a quick walkthrough. I'll take a different route this time so you guys can see a little bit more. But again, happy to have you guys around. As best as I can, I try to do at least one video per day. It's not easy. It takes a lot of time, takes effort, takes money, takes patience, and sometimes there's technical difficulty as well. So uploading one video per day is not easy, but you know, I still do it for you guys because I know you guys are always looking out for the content, and I'm happy to be sharing, you know, the beauty of Jamaica, the different developments, the different projects, different construction with you guys as usual as well, other than, you know, the continuous support from liking, commenting, subscribing. If you guys want to donate via PayPal as well, the PayPal link is in the description on the channel, so you guys can donate so that the channel can continue, and you know, as best as I can continue doing a video per day. So a fish pond, alright guys, so quick walkthrough, quick tour, quick review of the Island Village entertainment and shopping. Yeah, so place is a little bit quiet now, so as I mentioned, based on the time of day, most of the shops are already closed, so it's a little bit quieter than usual, especially Margaritaville. That's always buzzing with activities. The This is Margaritaville. Entertainment, sports, food, fun, liquor. A lot of duty-free jewelers, tax-free shopping over this side just to cater to the tourists and even locals. Alright guys, there you have it. A quick tour of the Island Village, entertainment and shopping. And again, just want to thank you guys for all your support. Remember to comment, leave a comment about the Island Village. Maybe you have been here before, maybe you have not. If you haven't been here before, if you haven't been here as yet, let me know which place you want to visit first when you come here. And if you've been here before, let me know what's your favorite spot. So thanks again for all the support. Thanks for all the like, the shares, the comments. And looking forward for another 12 months until another birthday with you guys. So as I grow, the channel is growing as well, and I really appreciate the support. So thanks guys, and see you on another video, or see you on the next birthday. That's next year, August 16th. Alright guys.